So today we've done a design sprint training event. We've had 10 people come from product side but also agency side to learn how to run their own design sprints.
Yeah, it was a great day. It really helps you to focus on what's important, not to get lost in the detail. There were lots of conversations, lots of interactions between everyone, so it was a great day all around.
We provide everything. We provide the knowledge, food throughout the day and beers after the event. So it's a great chance for anyone who's read the book or wants to start running their design sprints to use it firsthand and really get under the skin of what makes a successful design sprint.
What an awesome day it's been. We've just finished the initial sketching of ideas, so I'm buzzing full of ideas. He's facilitated an awesome day.
Design sprint training is perfect for product owners, heads of departments. They're good for the C-suite and designers and marketing folk. So anyone that has a vested interest into the product strategy or what the business does and needs to do going forwards, they are great participants and potential facilitators for the design sprint.